The three most deadly animals for humans in 2023. Number 1 is a real serial killer. You're going to be shocked. Number 3, the snake. This fearsome reptile poses a real threat in Asia and Africa, where it causes the most deaths. Each year, countless snake bites are recorded, up to 2.5 million bites, and about 100,000 people lose their lives due to a snake bite. Number 2, a rather unexpected animal. The snail. The snail may seem harmless, but it actually hides a formidable parasite called schistosomiasis. This parasite is responsible for a chronic disease that causes about 110,000 deaths each year. And the worst part, to get infected, you don't even need to touch them. You just need to come into contact with the water in which the snails live. Before I give you number 1, remember to subscribe and like the video. Number 1, the mosquito. This little insect turns out to be a real plague, causing nearly 800,000 victims each year around the world. But it's not so much the mosquito itself that kills, it's rather the formidable viruses it transmits when it bites us.